Welcome back to this new tutorial. Today, we will be learning trim function in Excel. First of all, let's see what Excel says about this function. Here in this cell, let me press equals and type trim. Here you see, trim function removes all spaces from a text string except for a single space between words. In this data, in the column A, I have few sentences. These sentence contains unwanted or extra space between and before the words. In the column B, I have to write the sentences with proper spacing, that is by keeping single space between words. In this case, trim function is ready to help me out here. Let's use the function here in B4 cell. Press equals, type trim, open parentheses. Here we have to supply only one argument, that is the text. Simply click on the cell where you have the text string. Close parentheses and hit enter. Here you see, the sentence is rewritten by removing all unnecessary spaces. Use the fill handle and drag the formula down. So, this is all about the use of trim function in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Request you to like, share, and subscribe. See you in next tutorial.